Assalamu alaikum. My name is Sami Natafji, and I am one of the 5 members of the election committee. Inshallah, by now, you should have got a text message with a link enabling you to vote. This link will take you to the voting page, which looks like the one you see on my screen. At the top, there is a drop-in menu that allows you to choose which language that you prefer. Here in the main body of the page, you will find the name of the candidates. You can select from 1 and up to 6 candidates. In the next page, you will see the selection of the names of the candidates that you selected. Look at them, and once you are ready, click submit. I'm not going to do this here, but when you do, you will get a confirmation, and that's all there is to it. Please remember, you can vote only once, and once you hit submit, your vote will be casted, and your vote cannot be changed. The voting committee hopes that you would participate in this voting process in order to have a say in choosing leaders who will align with your beliefs, value, and vision for our masjid. And rest assured that your vote will be anonymous, even to us, the voting committee. If you have any questions or concerns, please contact Brother Arshad Hassan at 559-260-1885. Thank you. Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.